Meaning of elect.
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 Elect. The word elect can have different meanings depending on the context. In political systems, it often refers to the process of choosing public officials through voting or appointment. In religious contexts, it may refer to those chosen by divine or spiritual selection. In both cases, the result is a select group that has been chosen over others based on certain criteria, such as ability, suitability, or faith. The elect are typically seen as being of higher status or esteem than those who were not chosen, and may be given special privileges or responsibilities.